Hubsan Zino 2, first drone of 2020? Got that coming up next. Ever since the Hubsan Zino 2 was announced, it's created quite a bit of talk in the drone community. Now, Gearbest recently put a video together promoting the Zino 2, so let's go ahead and watch that clip. Now, I'd like to go over some of the new features of the Zino 2, and I'm going to throw a few slides up on the screen. Now, the first slide, it has 6-kilometer remote control distance, reach further places for better aerial photography. Let's roll on to the next one. 4K at 60 frames per second recording to capture clear details of images. And we'll go on to the next one. It's called Take a Good Picture of the Night. The Hubsan Zino 2 is equipped with the Ambarella H22 image chip, which can capture low light, collect more light to shoot outstanding night scenes. A unique architecture and 14nm process technology minimizes H22 power consumption while maximizing performance. And let's roll on to the next slide. 3800 milliamp smart 4S lithium battery for 33 minutes super long flight. And then the next screen, remote control with digital display, real-time visibility of flight data. And you can see there's a digital display on the remote. And 3-axis mechanical gimbal, enhance aircraft stability and picture sharpness. 3 motion controls, maintain accurate positioning in various flying environments. And the last slide, smarter operation for easier control. Now, the Hubsan Zino currently is on sale for $399 from Gearbest, and there'll be a link in the description if you're interested in purchasing that. Now, that price is going to go up to $499 as of January 1st. Also, on January 1st, the Hubsan Zino is expected to ship for those who have pre-ordered it for Gearbest. It looks like it's going to be the first drone of 2020 because it's expected to ship on January the 1st. Now, I'll also include a link in the description to take a look at my Hubsan Zino 2 Facebook group. Question of the day: Are you interested in purchasing a Hubsan Zino too? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook group where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.